morning to all of you. Now today I am going to start fractions, exercise number 5D. Actually it is revision of previous exercises 5D, 5E and 5F. I'll start from 5D. In 5D, if two fractions are given with the same denominator, just like 5 by 11 and 6 by 11. If two fractions are given with the same denominator, the one with the greater numerator is greater of the twos. These are numerator and these are denominators. Numerator 6 is greater than 5, so this one is greater than this one. 6 by 11 is greater than 5 by 11. Just opposite. In second case, if numerators are same, 7 by 15 and 7 by 20. If numerators are same but denominators are different, in this case, if numerator is greater, then fraction is smaller. Fraction is smaller. So 7 by 15 is greater than 7 by 20. Once more, greater, numerator greater, denominator same है, numerator बड़ा है तो fraction बड़ा. Numerator same है, denominator बड़ा है तो fraction छोटा. Now start 5D. This is question number 1. 4 by 7. Question number 1 is saying compare the fractions and fill in the boxes with the symbol greater, less or equal. Here numerators are same and denominators are same, so it is equivalent fraction. These are equivalent fraction. But here two methods. In first method, start from here. 4, 11 4s are 44 and 6 7s are 42. 44 is greater, so 44 is 4 11s are 44. 4 by 7 is greater than 6 by 11. In second method 4 by 7, 6 by 11. Take out LCM. 11 7s are 77 because both are prime numbers. प्राइम नंबर जब होंगे तो एलसीएम लेने की जरूरत नहीं, डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो जाएगा. और 11 7 77, 7 11 से 11 4 44 अगेन 11 7 7 6 42. Now fractions are 44 by 7 and 42 by 77. 44 by 77 and 42 by 77. I have told you, if denominators are same, these are like fractions because denominators are same. If denominators are same, numerator is greater, then fraction is greater. 44 by 7 is 44 by 77 is greater than 42 by 77. So 44 represent 4 by 7. So 4 by 7 is greater than 6 by 11. 42 by 77, 6 by 11. Both are same. Result is same, but methods are different. You can use any method for this. Now children, I'll tell you question number 2. 2 ka A. 2A. Both are same. In one you will use ascending order, and in question number 3 you will use descending order. Descending में ग्रेटर फ्रैक्शन को पहले रखना है और असेंडिंग में स्मॉलेस्ट फ्रैक्शन को पहले लिखना है. You know the sign of ascending order? I'll tell you after that. Firstly, I'll take LCM of these 3, 8, 9, 8, 4. Start from 2, 3, 4, 9, 4, 2. Again 2, 3, 2, 9, 2, 1. Again 2, 3, 1, 9, 1, 1. Now 3, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1. 3 3 are 9, 9 2 are 18, 18 2 are 36, 36 2 are 72. What is LCM? 72. Write down in your classwork copy. After that, solve these sums in your fair copy and remaining also. 72 division 372. And 24 ones are यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई होगा न्यूमरेटर का 24 आ जाएगा. 8 9 जा 9 3 जा 27, 9 8 जा 8 5 जा 40, 8 9 जा 9 7 जा 60, 3 4, 18 18 2 जा 36. Now fraction is, these are like fractions. 24 by 72, 27 by 72, 40 by 72, 63 by 72, 36 by 70. Increasing order, write down. Smallest, firstly smallest 24 by 72. After that, this is sign of ascending order. A 27 by 72, then 36 by 72, 40 by 72 and 63 by 70. 24 by 72, 24 किसको represent कर रहा है? 1 by 3. Now 27, 3 by 8. After that 36, 2 by 4. After that 40, 5 by 9. In last, you write 7 by 8. 1 by 3, 3 by 8, 2 by 4, 5 by 9, 7 by 8. And during descending order, you will write firstly 7 by 8, then 5 by 9, 2 by 4, 3 by 8, 1 by 3. And sign will be these. These are sign of descending order. Descending order के sign ये रहेंगे. यहाँ बड़ी संख्या आएगी या छोटी, देखिए इससे ही पता चला. यहाँ this place is greater than this place, तो यहाँ descending order में बड़ी संख्या फिर छोटी. और ascending में this place is smaller than this place, so छोटी संख्या यहाँ आएगी और छोटा फ्रैक्शन यहाँ आएगा. और बड़ा वाला यहाँ. Now children, two problems are here. Question number 4 is saying a girl reads 4 by 9 of book on the first day and 1 by 5 on the second day. On which day did she read major part of the book? Major part किस दिन उन्होंने पढ़ा? तो आप उसी तरह करेंगे, ग्रेटर और लेस निकालना पड़ेगा आपको. 4 by 9 of a book. I don't. 4 by 9 on a first day and 1 by 5 on the second day. According to question, write down 4 by 9 and 1 by 5. 5 4s are, we start from here. 5 4 जा 20, 9 1 जा 9. This one is later, so 4 by 9 is greater than 1 by 4 by 9 is greater than 1 by 5. On which day did she read major part? She read, yeah, on second day, on first day, on, write down answer. On which day did she read major part of the book? She read first day. On first. Otherwise you will write like this. On first day. That's all. Next sum you will solve like this. इसी तरह आपको next sum भी solve करना है. Now I will start 5E. Now children, now I am going to start 5E. In this chapter you will add fractions, simple proper fractions or mixed fractions. Now firstly I will start from proper fractions. Now just like 2 by 7 and 3 by 7, their denominators are same, so no need to take LCM. Write down directly 7. LCM लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप डायरेक्ट 7 लिख दीजिए. 7 1 जा 7, 1 2 जा 2, plus 7 1 जा 1 2 जा 3, equal to 3 to 5 by 7. In here again 3 terms, 3 fractions are here. 25 LCM 4 plus 19 plus 1. 19 1 20 and 24 by 25. But if the denominators are different, then you will take firstly LCM. Now it is question number 2. Actually 1 and 2 both are same, so I want to solve this one because this is in mixed fraction. Firstly I will solve it, convert it into improper fraction. 6 4 are 24, 24 to 26 by 4 plus 6 are 18 1, 19 by 6 plus 8 5 are 40, 41 by 8. Now we will take LCM. 4 6 8, 2 2 the 3 the 2 4 2 1 3 2, 3 to the 6 to the 12 to the 24. Now division, after that multiplication. 4 6 the 156. 6 4 the 19, 4 the 76. 8 3 the 3 1 the 3, 3 4 the 123. Now I add these 3 fractions, 3 numbers. This also correct, otherwise you will change. एक बात याद रखिए कि अगर क्वेश्चन मिक्स फॉर्म में है then you will convert numerator is greater than denominator, then you will convert it into mixed fraction. Now here are three problems. All are same. Question 4 is saying Anuradha bought 7 by 9 kg of apples and 5 by 18 kg of mangoes. How much fruits did she buy in all? In this case, you will add according to question. Seven by 9 plus, firstly I will write here in fair copy 7 by 9 kg of apples and 5 by 18 of mangoes. After that you will write according to question 7 by 9 plus 5 by 18. LCM of 9 and 18, 18. 19 by 18. How much fruit did she buy in all? She bought 9 by 18 fruit. She bought. This answer. 9 by 18 fruits she bought. 9 unit you will write here kg. Fruits she bought in all. Question number 5, just like this, a frog took 3 jumps. The first jump was 3 by 5 meter long, the second jump was 1 by 2 meter long, and the third jump was 7 by 10 meter long. Question number 5, first jump. By 5 meter long. Second jump 1 by 2 meter long, and third jump 7 by 10 meter long. How far did the frog jump in all? Again, add these 3 meters, 3 by 5 according to question, plus 1 by 2 plus 7 by 10. LCM 5, 2 and 10, 2, 5, 1, 5, again 5, 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10, 2, 3 is a 6, 2, 5 is a 5, 1 is a 5, plus 7. 18 by 10, 2 5 is a 10, 2 9 is a 8, 9 by 5. So, answer, how far did the frog jump in all? Frog jumped 9 by 5 meter. Frog jumped 9 by 5. Now children, it's the revision of 5D, E and F. E is completed, addition is completed. Now I am going to start subtraction. In subtraction, just like this, उसमें आपको ऐड करना है, इसमें डिफरेंस निकालना है. Now first question number 1, 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. No need to take LCM. Write down 5 here. 3 minus 2 equal to 1 by 5. Question number A and H1. I'll tell you one more. 9 4 by 21 minus 7 5 by 20. Now change into improper form. So 90 3y minus LCM 3 4s are 12, 12 7s are 84, 21 4s are 772 minus 3 3 ones are 3 0 600 12 minus 3 9 6 and 7 minus 6 then by 84 54 169 equal to 2 1 by 4. Understand all of you? Children, question number 2 is saying find the difference between, just like this. Question number 1 and question number 2 both are same. In question number 1 sign is given, subtraction का sign दिया हुआ है, and question number 2 find the difference is written here, but both are same. माइनस का साइन देके आप दोनों को एक ही प्रोसेस से करना. Now next one 3 problems. I will solve problem on questions. Question 3 is saying, see here question number 3. Question number 3 is saying a piece of wire 7 by 8 meter long broke into two pieces. One piece was 1 by 4 meter long, and how long is the other piece? What is given here? Of wire equal to 7 by 8 meter equal to 1 by 4 meter long. Find out दूसरे केस की लेंथ लेंगे. According to question 1 by 4 let the required length be. Required be x meter. According to question 1 by 4 plus x equal to 1 by 4 plus x equal to 7 by 8. X equal to 7 by 8 minus 1 by 4. LCM 8, 7 minus 2 equal to 5. 5 by 8 5 by 8 meter. Write down answer. Answer, find out length of other piece. The length of other piece equal to 5 by 8 meter. According to this, you write answer. See here, find out length of other piece. The length of other piece is 5 by 8 meter long. Question number 4 is saying Ravish takes 1 by 5 minutes to walk across the school ground. Rahul takes 7 by 4 minutes to do the same. Who takes less time? See here, very easy. 2 1 by 5. 2 is whole number and here is only improper fraction. 1 3 by 4. So 2 is greater than 2 1 by 5. एक है 2 by 1 by 5 और एक है 7 by 4. 5 to the 10 1 11 by 5 और ये 7 by 4. इसमें ज़्यादा टाइम, who takes less time? 11 4 the 44, 5 7 the 35. किसने कम टाइम लिया? This one. 7 by 4. राहुल takes less time. कितना लेस लिया? उसके लिए आप सब्ट्रैक्शन कर रहे हैं. Now question is saying, last question, it is last question. From a rope 7 meter long, 2 pieces of length 2 3 by 5 meter and 3 by 10 meter were cut off. 7 मीटर लंबी रस्सी से ये 2 पीस निकाले गए. That means according to question 7 by 1 minus 2 3 by 5 plus 3 by. Firstly add this one. Find out the value of this one. 5 to the 10 3, 13 by 5 plus 33 by 10 equal to 10. 5 to the 10 26 plus 33 equal to 59 by 10. Write down here 7 by 1 minus 59 by 10 equal to 10. 70 minus 59. 10 minus 9 1 and 6 minus 5 10. 11 by 10 meter. और 1 by 10 meter और 11 by 10 meter होता है. 11 by 10 meter. What is the length of the remaining rope? The length of the remaining rope equal to 11 by 10 meter. Now this exercise is completed. Now remaining portion, solve yourself. Objective, NCERT, reasoning, solve yourself. Because practice is must in maths. बहुत ज़रूरी है, प्रैक्टिस से ही आप आगे जाएंगे. Thanks to all of you. Thanks, Ilan. It is August course. Now I will start decimal next.